In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your credit card balance on Capital One. Whether you're using the Capital One mobile app or accessing the Capital One website, keeping track of your credit card balance is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone or navigate to the Capital One website on your computer. Once you've done that, sign into your account using your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts provided on the site or app. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your accounts. Find your credit card account and select it. This will take you to the account summary page, which holds all the essential information regarding your credit card. On the account summary page, you'll find your current balance prominently displayed. This section will also show your available credit, which is the amount you can still spend without exceeding your credit limit. It's important to keep an eye on both these figures to manage your credit effectively and avoid any potential fees or penalties. If you're interested in getting more detailed information, such as your recent transactions or pending charges, you can tap into the account. This will give you a clearer picture of your spending habits and help you ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. For those who prefer checking their balance over the phone, Capital One offers customer service support. You can call their customer service line and a representative will assist you in verifying your balance. This can be a good option if you're on the go or prefer speaking to a live person. And that's it. You now know how to check your credit card balance on Capital One. Keeping track of your balance is a crucial part of managing your finances, and with these simple steps, you can do it quickly and effortlessly. Whether you choose the app, the website, or a phone call, Capital One makes it easy to stay informed about your credit card status. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy managing.